Hi guys, my name is Priyam and I'm a day trader. Now, as being a day trader and a part of stock market for past 3 years, मेरे पास लोगों के बहुत सारे ईमेल्स आते हैं, क्वेश्चंस आते हैं कि सर हम स्टॉक मार्केट में नए हैं, हमें पैसा इन्वेस्ट करना है स्टॉक मार्केट में, हम कैसे इन्वेस्ट करें, सर आज हम कौन सा स्टॉक बाय करें, आज हम कौन सा स्टॉक सेल करें, कौन सा स्टॉक आजकल मार्केट में ट्रेंड कर रहा है। तो ऐसे बहुत सारे सवाल आते रहते हैं। कई बार क्या होता है कि मैं उन सवालों के जवाब दे देता हूँ, बट कई बार टाइम प्रॉब्लम की वजह से, कभी किसी और प्रॉब्लम की वजह से मैं सारे सवालों के जवाब नहीं दे पाता हूँ। एंड दैट इज वाई आई एम क्रिएटिंग दिस यूट्यूब चैनल सो दैट लोगों के मन में जो डाउट होते हैं, जो क्वेरीज होती हैं शेयर मार्केट से रिलेटेड कि सर स्टॉक मार्केट तो एक गैम्बलिंग मार्केट है, यहाँ पे कभी किसी का पैसा नहीं बनता, सबके पैसे ज़्यादातर डूब ही जाते हैं। तो जितने भी डाउट है लोगों के मन में, इन सबको हम क्लियर कर सकें, दैट इज वाई आई एम क्रिएटिंग दिस यूट्यूब चैनल। नाउ स्टॉक मार्केट इज वेरी ईजी, इट इज़ अ वेरी ईजी बिजनेस, बट इतना भी आसान नहीं है कि मैं एक 5 मिनट 15 मिनट की वीडियो बनाऊं और आपको स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में फ्रॉम बेसिक्स टू एडवांस सब कुछ समझ में आ जाए। एंड दैट इज व्हाई इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस जस्ट द बेसिक्स ऑफ स्टॉक मार्केट, जैसे कि व्हाट इज स्टॉक मार्केट, हाउ कैन आई इन्वेस्ट इन स्टॉक मार्केट, हाउ कैन आई अर्न फ्रॉम स्टॉक मार्केट, लाइक दीज। नाउ let us start the video by the very first question we are going to discuss, that is what is stock market. Now stock market is just like any other market in which you buy and sell products. The only difference between the normal market and the stock market is that you buy and sell products in the name of shares, equity, stocks और उसी को आप ownership कह लीजिए। Now the next question that arises is that how does stock market works and how can you earn money from it? Let me give you an example for this. Let's say there's a stock, say SBIN, State Bank of India, it is trading at rupees 100. Now your analysis indicate that the stock has the potential to go much higher. So you'll go long on SBI. When you go long on SBI and when the SBI hits new highs, say 110, 120, 130 like that, you'll sell that particular stock at that point of time. The difference between the entry price and the exit price is your profit per share. Same is the case in selling. Now SBI is at 100 and now your analysis indicate that the stock has the potential to come down. So you will short sell SBI at 100 and when it comes to 95, 90, 85, you will buy the stock again. By doing so, the difference between your entry price and your exit price is your profit per share. So that is how stock market works and you earn money from it. अब जो अगला सवाल हमारे सामने आता है वो ये है कि सर हम कैसे इन्वेस्ट करें स्टॉक मार्केट में। Now for that you need a Demat account. Now a Demat account is just similar to your bank account. Now the only difference is that हम जो शेयर्स खरीदते हैं और बेचते हैं, बस वही शेयर्स को रखने के लिए हमें एक जगह चाहिए होती है और वो Demat account उसका काम करता है। Let me give you an example for this. Say there's an investor, now he bought heavily in Tata Motors. Say he buys some 2.5 lakh shares of Tata Motors. Now उन शेयर्स को रखने के लिए हमें एक जगह की जरूरत पड़ेगी। Demat account does the same work for us. Now there are many brokers in the market जिनके साथ आप Demat account खोल सकते हैं। Let me give you an example. There are Zerodha, Fires, Upstocks, 5paisa, Angel Broking. There are many brokers in the market जिनके साथ आप अपना Demat account खोल सकते हैं। Now once you're done with the opening of your Demat account, you should know that what kind of a profile you want in share market. Like you want to become a day trader, a swing trader, a positional trader, or a real-time investor. Now knowing your profile in stock market will help you to go a long way. Now once you have opened your Demat account and you know what kind of profile you want, you are good to go for trading and investing in stock market. The next question that arises is that how to predict that the chart will go up or come down. Now for that you need a very good hand on analysis. Now there are two kinds of analysis. One is fundamental analysis, the other one is technical analysis. Now these two analysis depend upon the kind of trader you want to become. If you are a day trader or a swing trader or a positional trader, then technical analysis will work for you. If you are an investor, then you should have a very good hand on fundamental analysis. Now what are fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis are nothing but it involves the balance sheet of the company, the quarterly results of the company, the debt to equity ratio. These are some fundamental analysis. Now a good investor will always have a very good hand on fundamental analysis, whereas a day trader or a swing trader or a positional trader will have a very good hand on technical analysis. Of course, when you are a day trader, technical analysis is very important for you, but a little knowledge of fundamental analysis does no harm. So now let us learn about technical analysis. What are technical analysis and how can we make profit from them? Now, technical analysis is just the forecasting of the price given from the previous data available. हमारे पास हमारे चार्ट्स के ऊपर as you can see behind me जो भी पुराना डाटा अवेलेबल होता है हम उससे अंदाजा लगाते हैं, प्रेडिक्ट करते हैं कि आने वाले नियर फ्यूचर में हमारा चार्ट जो है वो ऊपर जाएगा या नीचे आएगा. नाउ दैट इज मेन टेक्निकल एनालिसिस. नाउ देयर आर टू फॉर्म्स ऑफ टेक्निकल एनालिसिस एज वेल. वन इज प्योर प्राइस एक्शन बेस्ड and the other is indicator based. So there are a lot of indicators in the market like moving average, MACD, ADX, stochastics, CCI, RSI. Many traders uses these indicators for the prediction of the price, but there are some pure price action based traders as well who make demand zone, supply zone, trend lines and trade reversal pattern as well as continuation patterns. Now they are pure price action based traders. Now there are different patterns in the market that keep occurring after a certain period of time. Patterns like head and shoulder, double top, double bottom, triple top, triple bottom, symmetrical triangle, ascending triangle, descending triangle, bullish flag, bearish flag. There are numerous number of patterns that occur in the market very frequently. So pure price action based traders depend on these patterns, trend lines, etc. for their price prediction. Now if you ask me what kind of a trader I am, so I am a pure day trader and therefore my main focus is on technical analysis rather than fundamental analysis. I have a very good hand on technical analysis, but of course I do also have a small hand on fundamental analysis because the company stock in which I am trading, if I don't know what the company is doing, what the company makes, how can I trade in them? So of course a little knowledge of fundamental analysis of the stock of the company in which you are trading does no harm to you. So now let us learn about derivatives, that what are derivatives और market में इनको क्यों introduce किया गया था, इनका क्या काम होता है. So derivative is just a security whose value is derived from another underlying asset. Now this another underlying asset can be a stock, a commodity as well as an index. Now there are two forms of derivative trading. Number one is future and forward trading or number two is option trading. So now let's see what is future trading. So future trading is the simplest form of derivative transaction. It is just an agreement of buy or sell for a certain quantity of stock on a certain period of time for a certain price. Remember that the future chart of the underlying asset and the original chart of that asset will have few price points difference. Consider if the market is trading up, then the future chart of that underlying asset will be few price points above the original price. If the market is falling, then the price of the future chart will be few price points down than the original price of the underlying asset. Whereas option is completely different scenario than future trading. Options is a far risky as well as a more complex product than futures. We are going to make a separate video for this because it is a very hot topic of the market for every new trader who comes to stock market, that he should go for option trading or he should opt future trading or he should remain in the cash market. So we're going to make a separate video for this in which we are going to discuss it in detail. For now, let's take to the basics. So there are two kinds of option traders, option buyer as well as option sellers. There are two types of options as well, call option and put option. Let me tell you how it works. If you are bullish on a particular stock, you can do two things in options. Either you will buy a call option or you will sell a put option. When you are bearish on a particular stock, you can also do two things. You can either buy put option over there or you can either sell call option. So this is how the option trading works in the stock market. There are two types of options. One is PA, put American or call American, and the other is PE, put European and call European. In India, we use PE and CE. So there's one more thing in options. When you go long, when you buy or you sell an option, one more thing you have to see is you have to choose a certain strike price. There are three certain strike price: in the money, at the money and out of the money. We are going to discuss this later in the other option videos that we are going to make on this channel. So by now I assume that you would have gained some basic knowledge of what the stock market is all about, how can you enter stock market and how can you make money from it. Always remember, stock market is a risky business, but it can be made easy by only one thing, and that's the psychology of your mind. the patience you have in stock market. Patience is very important in stock market. It is the only thing that works here. Let me quote here Sir Warren Buffett, who has said that stock market is a market in which the money transfers from the pockets of an impatient trader to the pockets of a patient trader. So have patience in stock market. It is the only thing that works here. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends so that our trading community can grow faster and easier. Subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the very next video. Until then, keep trading, keep earning.